So you stuck around. Smart move. Because what's coming next you definitely don't see every day, and definitely not at this price. Imagine waking up and seeing Lake Texoma from every floor in your house without spending $1 million to do it. That's what's waiting for you here. In a market where true lakefronts are getting harder and harder to find, this is the kind of opportunity you don't want to overlook. 7476 Basket Court in Kingston, Oklahoma is a true lakefront property tucked into one of Texoma's prettiest coves. The home itself is a classic updated cabin, 3 full stories, and here's the real kicker. You get a lake view from every single floor. Decks, patios, and balconies on every level make sure you never miss a sunrise. Inside, you got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a game room, and plenty of space for family weekends, summer get-togethers, or even quiet getaways. And if you're up for a little bit more adventure, it's a 5-minute boat ride from your backyard to the open water, and from your backyard to the islands, about 15 minutes.